My name's Jesse, and welcome back to Brick Zone. And today I will be showing you a tutorial on how to build a gun from the game called Apex Legends. And that weapon is called the longbow. And this video may be a little bit longer because in our previous video, I promised you guys that I would show you some of these weapons that you didn't see in that last video. This is episode 2, by the way, and all these new guns that you didn't see, it belonged to this guy who was in a few of our videos before. And also a new person is being introduced, a drone pet. This is actually his pet that by the way he uses. And let's get that out of the way, but before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell. And that out of the way, let's get on to the longbow. And finally, I finished this longbow from the Apex Legends game mode. And right now, I'm gonna be showing you some of the details of it. And it's actually a sniper, by the way. You can see the top, by the way. And you can see this I've added. I don't know what it was for. And you can see the silencer. It's not really a silencer, but it just looks like that. Pretty sweet. And there was no scope, but I just made it that way. And we can see the background. Oh, and also the ammo, by the way. This is what this was for. So we can switch it up. Then we'll just boom, pop it up. Then boom, boom, boom. Alright. On to the next stuff. Oh, and I also forgot to tell you guys that I will also be teaching you guys how to make a tutorial about making your own drone pet, just to make it feel like you're homely and have a pet. Get it? And now let's start the tutorial. And also, don't forget about this little guy. And this is actually, you know what this is actually, because I told you in the intro, by the way. And it's kind of cute, and it looks like a centipede and a scorpion, by the way. And these are just used just to glide around, by the way. And he has teeth and mandibles. And he has also one eye, by the way, because he's a drone. And right now, that's all for all the tutorial. Now it's time to show all the weapons. Dude, that was an absolute journey, and I finally finished the longbow from Apex Games, and I also finally finished the pet drone, by the way. And right now I'm gonna be showing you some of the weapons that you guys didn't see. They're all over here. You can see them, by the way, which just like I promised you in our last video. And before that, we're gonna let my parrot, Blue 2, my loved parrot, we're just gonna let her play around for a few times, and hopefully she doesn't destroy one of my creations. Alright, so the next one, I'm gonna be showing you the wingsuits. We just need to get his arms like this, and like this, and after like that, we'll just get his arms like this and this, and then we get one of these. We can just get another one of these, and then we can just pop it onto his arms like this, and then this is just gonna make it look like this is attached to him, so it can also look like a wingsuit. You guys ever know a wingsuit? That thing that you attach on your like arms and your legs, that you go on the hills and then just fly off. And after this, we just do the same thing on the other side. Wait, hold up. And then he's going on a wing flying suit. No, it's not called like that, but it's called like this. And he just goes flying, and everywhere he can goes. And alright. And now we're done on like that. Let's go on to the next one. Alright, for this one, I also actually made this little guy some of his own weapons. First of all, we have some of the hand cannons. If you can see these, you see one of these like line teeth. And then you take this one and then attach them to these, to this, and the same to this. He can also be going flying while shooting, by the way. And then we take this one off. And then take this off. And then we have a knife that you can attach to him, that he uses when walking on his centipede-like feet wings. That he can just slam around. And then after that, we have the missile arrow. He shoots this arrow from his scorpion-like tail, and then whatever it hits, and then after 5 seconds, and boom, it explodes, baby. And then we also have this, a sword. I may have showed you this, that knife. But it's not really a sword. It's just this sword is just gonna make it look like a lot longer like a sword, because that other one I showed you, that was just a knife. And anyway, by the way, and the last one is an arm, a hand arm that he uses to grab some of the heaviest crates. And then done for like one of this cutie little guy. Let's go on to this guy's weapons. Alright, so the first stop, we're gonna going on some flying gear. And this is actually the Parawing, which I decided to make it called the Elytra, by the way. Let's just call it the Elytra, by the way. And so all he needs to do is to get his back and just pop this in, by the way. Alright, and all that, and then you can move the wings, and then he can go flying in everywhere he goes. And he can also hold weapons while he's flying. Alright, that's all. On to the next one. Wow, that was an absolute journey. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and share with all your friends and families. I will have it all great ideas I will be showing you guys, but it will just get a lot of time, and this was literally so long to make this video. And I hope you like it, and I'll see you next time. Peace.